If you need to recover your Patreon account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Patreon login page. Go to the official Patreon website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your email address associated with your account for password recovery. Step 3. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ASRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Create a new password that is strong and secure, then confirm the change to regain access to your account. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you have logged in, navigate to your account settings. Here, update your phone number and any other recovery options to ensure you can easily access your account in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Patreon account without needing your phone number. Always remember to keep your account information up to date for easier recovery in the future.